This will depend on the lifetime of the application, right? How long you think the application will exist for and will be maintained. But what I recommend you is not even to try to create interfaces that will be future ready about SwiftUI and async await, but to follow design principles. Design principles, if you follow like the solid principles, for example, you will come up with code that is already future ready. Why? Because the principles or clean architecture or domain driven design or dependency injection, what do they tell you? To decouple logic from implementation details, higher level modules from lower level details. Now, async await, Swift UI kit, those are lower level details, right? And if you decouple your logic from those details, it's much easier to adopt new frameworks as they arrive. So if you follow those principles, you follow solid, you follow domain-driven design, dependency injection patterns, your code will be more future ready, right? For example, if you're using Combine, for example. But if you're using Combine everywhere, it will be hard to migrate to async await because you need to change everything. But if you say, no, I'm going to use Combine only in the composition layer, then when you want to use async await, you just change the composition layer. You don't need to change the business logic. But if you are exposing publishers and things like that, like RX Swift or Combine, into your higher level modules, then it's going to be much harder to adopt new technologies in the future.